My daily routine. To become successful, everybody should follow a strict schedule or routine. Especially in student life, we need to maintain our time properly. If we fail to maintain time, then we can't make a good result in the examination. Today I am going to share my daily routine in my experience here. I am a very regular guy who follows a routine. I made that routine almost 6 months ago with the help of my elder brother. I make some small edits and changes in the routine due to my own preference. I consider the morning as the most important part of my day. In the morning, you will find lots of peace and a calm environment. My class teacher suggested me to get up early morning. I followed here that suggestion very seriously, and that made my day. Now I always get up at 5 o'clock in the morning. First of all, I go to the washroom and brush my teeth. I wash my face and wipe the water with a towel. Then I go for a small morning walk. I know the morning walk is very important for good health. Sometimes I do exercise too. Most of the time I walk almost 30 minutes and the doctor said that's enough for me. This little workout keeps me strong for the rest of the day. I come back home after the walk and get fresh again. I eat my breakfast then. After eating breakfast, I study math and science in the morning time. I think morning is the best time to study. I go to school at 9:30 in the morning. My father drops me here with his car. I take a break at 1 o'clock after 4 classes in a row. And finally, I go home at 4 p.m. with my mom. She comes to pick me up from school every day. Because it takes almost 20 minutes to go home from school by car. I enjoy school time very much. I eat my breakfast and then I eat my lunch in the school break time. I take my lunch with me. My mother is very aware of my food. She always cooks something interesting to me. I love eating pizza and burger. But she doesn't buy me that kind of fast food. She prefers to cook them for me. I love her cooked pizza very much. And finally, after reading and watching TV at night at 10 o'clock, I go for my sleep. When I go to bed, I think about my entire day. When my school is closed and I have lots of spare time, my daily routine becomes a bit different. I add time for video games, playing in the field with friends, and spending more time with my cousins. That's all about my daily routine. I love to follow this routine and I am very serious about it. I think it's perfect for me. You can follow my routine too.